Hi friends, this is next video of our introduction to programming series, and in this series we are going to talk about various stuff related to programming. So I'm going to talk about IDE in this video in start, and then we will move to further topics. So basically, what is an IDE? So we can say that IDE is an integrated development environment. It's an environment to develop, debug, and compile our program. So basically, IDE is just like in text editor, which is more advanced form of text editor. So it contains text editor, compiler, and debugger. It is designed for make coding easier for us. So in this video, we are going to talk about the IDE, which is code blocks. We will use this IDE for C programming language. So it's an open source IDE, and we are going to talk about this IDE in this series of lectures. You have to go to codeblocks.org and then go to its download section and click on download the binary release. After that, click on Windows if you have Windows machine. Otherwise, for Linux and Mac OS, you can click on them. Since I have Windows, then I will go with Windows. After that, click on this file, codeblocks 2003 MinGW 32bit.exe. Pay attention while downloading this, since we want .exe file, not other files, and with MinGW compiler. So download this file with sourceforge.net. So it's going to install in some time. After you have downloaded this file on your PC, double click on this .exe file and then click on yes. Then click on next. Read these instructions and agreement carefully and then click on I agree. Click on next. Choose where you want to locate this file. Then it's going to install in your PC. Wait for till the installation finishes. Click on next and finish and start your code block. Thanks for watching.